how to create a Roblox account. To create a Roblox account, first you want to simply open the Roblox application, and once you're inside the Roblox app, you want to simply tap on create account over here. If you already have an account, you can simply tap on sign in to sign in into your account as well. However, we are creating a Roblox account for now. Simply tap on create account, and by doing so you want to select your birthday over here, and once you have selected your birthday, you want to simply tap on confirm birthday. After that you want to simply enter a username over here, and once you do so, you want to simply try one of these username if your username is not available. After that you want to simply select your password over here, and once you have selected your password, you want to simply select your gender if you like. After that you want to simply tap on create account over here. By doing so, you would have successfully created your Roblox account. Now you'd be able to access games on here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.